Hey everyone. Today we're talking about the top 5 workout obstacles and how to overcome them. Let's get started. Obstacle number 1, lack of time. It's important to manage your schedule effectively and prioritize your activities. Treat your workouts like any other crucial task and ensure they fit into your daily routine. Number 2, lack of motivation. Focus on the short-term benefits of exercise to keep yourself motivated. Regular physical activity can lead to better sleep, improved mood, and increased energy levels almost immediately. Remember, these quick wins can make a big difference in your daily life. Number 3, feeling tired. Exercise can actually boost your energy levels. Try to work out when you feel most energetic and eat a nutritious diet to keep your energy up. Number 4, lack of resources. You don't need a gym to get fit. Use online workout videos, apps, or even just go for a walk or run outside. And finally, number 5, lack of companionship. Join a fitness class or a local sports team to meet new people and make exercise more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.